be doing a DIY acrylics video. Okay. So the first thing you're going to need is some nails, of course. Okay. The second thing you're going to need is nail glue, of course, to glue them on. Okay. The next two things you're going to need is a nail file and a nail clipper. And the last two things you're going to need is cuticle oil, and you're going to need nail polish remover. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is get your nail pack, and you're going to size all of your nails. The easier and quicker way to do is to get one of your hand and just get two of each. So let's say I have my pinky finger. Since my hands are the same size, since this fits, I would just get another one. And I always put my nails in order, so I go pinkies first, then ring finger, then middle, pointer, and then thumb.
You can probably rub for 1,000.
Now I'm on my ring finger. Okay, so now I have my pinky and my ring finger. Now to look for my middle finger. Now that I'm finished sizing all of my nails, the second thing you need to pull out is your acetone nail polish remover, that stuff. I have a nail polish remover wipe, which is easier, and you need to take off your nail polish if there's any on your fingers. Now that you're all finished, you are going to put away your nails since you're finished, and you're going to put away your acetone. The next thing you're going to do is get your cuticle oil, and you're going to put it all around your cuticles so that they won't dry up. But only put very little because it's very oily. So the next thing is you are going to take your glue. I'm going to take this glue. You can get this pack. This has 200 nails. This was $5 from Walmart, and this has super nail glue. And then I got this one from the dollar store, and it's a paint-on glue, and it works really well. So you need to get your glue out, and you can just start gluing them on. So, a little tip here, whenever you're gluing on your nails, hold them down for 30 seconds. Make sure it's straight and tight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Are you recording? Didn't you down to earth and get those? Should come down. It's me.
I can't.
And sometimes you can use your paint-on glue. So you use it like if it were a nail polish, but you just paint it on the nail.
walking on criminal baits is not saying I am holding any stuff. Does that mean I'm too late?
Space?
Or should I still do it?
So just remember, guys, I want you all to get out your nail clipper if you want to trim your nails and file it back. So, for example, I'm going to show y'all that you can trim like right up to here, because I still want mine long.
That place is easy. It's hard not to get caught by this place.
So once you trim it, you can also file it right back into place. That's why I asked y'all to bring your file and your clipper. See? Now it's shorter. It's short and long. Now, on to the next hand. And now for the last nail.
No, when I die. When you die, yes, you don't have it.
Hold it down for 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
All there
19,
is to this
20.
is patience.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30.
Now I'm going to trim this other one like how I did with my other nail.
Notice this. Thumbs trimmed only.
And this is the results. Yes, I am not painting this because later I'm going to be painting this with friends. Comment down below if you like this or not. Please subscribe to my channel and goodbye.